Hello mathematicians, puzzlers, and other curious people. I'm here with question 2 out of the Math 03 25 Test 1 review. And as I was reading through this question, I couldn't quite get it to make sense in my head. So it said the inner diameter of a dragonfly blood is etc. and then gave a number. Okay, so a dragonfly blood, what? Did they mean blood the substance? But how would that have a diameter? You could pour it into anything. So I thought, okay, a blood something or other. What could that be? Well, clearly there's a missing word of some kind here. I don't know if this is supposed to be blood vessel or blood cell or some other structure that has to do with blood in a dragonfly. So if any of you happen to figure that out, please let me know and I can edit that in. So the inner diameter of a dragonfly blood something is approximately 0.0000875 millimeters. Write this number using scientific notation. Okay, so we need to remember that scientific notation is A times 10 to the power B, where B is an integer, and A is between 1 and 10, including 1 but not including 10. So it'll have one digit out front of the decimal. So what I see is we'll want to move the decimal point to there. So A will be 8.75 and then times 10 to the, what's B? Well, let's take a look. We moved this decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. And I noticed that the number we started with is very small. So that tells me that I want B to be negative 5. When you're putting on leading zeros, then you're going to have a negative power of 10 in your scientific notation. If, on the other hand, you're rewriting a large number that would be expected to have more digits out front of the decimal, you would have a positive value. But this right here is my answer, and you can check that by punching it in on your calculator and seeing if it gives you the same number you started with.